Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here with another video today. Just taking a slow walk down along avaeneda Mediterano this morning. Have got a bit of good news. The fountain at the very end of avaeneda Mediterano, which is up near town, that has finally been fixed, finally up and running, lights up and all that. So one of the nights I will try pop down there, get a video of it, because apparently it is meant to look pretty nice. Nice little shop here doing your footy shirts. That the new Liverpool shirt I see. No, it ain't. About 31 degrees today again. Only early day, so it could actually warm up quite a lot further into the day. Possibility of it reaching 32, 33 around that temperature, guys. Very nice down here today. Not busy, not quiet either. There are people stood out trying to do some shopping. Anyway guys, before I forget, if you do like what I am doing, feel free to make a donation. It is getting hotter now, so these donations do actually help me and Mike to get a drink while we're out filming. Pretty sure you can imagine how hard it is to actually go through a day filming in that boiling hot weather without a drink. Is pretty hard. Plus the hot weather is starting to affect our equipment quite a bit lately, as you probably may have seen on my live stream on Tuesday evening this week. My phone was glitching quite a bit, so I had to put the big ceiling fan on, make sure I can cool it down. Then everything went fine, funnily enough. A few nice little Spanish bars there. And they do have the wine barrel, like a cheap booze shop. Also the Euro exchange and that. Shop there looks like it's gone now. Either a shop or a cafe. Then you do have holidays shop here, just that sort of holiday type gear. Gonna try cross over in a minute, guys. Oh, little hole there, nearly fell over. Not too drunk yet though, guys. Do have the ice cream shop here, Benidorm. They've shut up for some refurb, I believe. You can see all like the black sheets in the window. Looks quite dull, don't it? Hopefully see them reopening soon. Back of hotel wheel door now. Hopefully this one will open soon. Does look a very good hotel. Then try and stop approaching. Hopefully soon we will see the land train back up and running, like the open top bus, which is actually back up and about in Benidorm. Open top bus will do a full excursion around Benidorm down into the colour finish. I believe it does also take you up into the main finish track village itself. Believe it is quite cheap as well, not too expensive. And it does look like a fun day out for anyone who's never really been to Benidorm, or for any of those that want to learn a bit more history about Benidorm. Nice little shop here, clothes type shop selling tons of different stuff. Gift shop there as well. Gonna end this one here, guys. So thanks for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Morning. And I will see you in the next one. Adios.